In this video we will see how to write program in Visual Studio 2008 Express Edition with if condition. For that we have to download Visual Studio 2008 from Microsoft website by using the following link. After coming to the Microsoft website, for the download of Visual Studio 2008 Express Edition, we will find various download: Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual C Sharp. We will download Visual C Sharp. For download, we have to click this download link and the desired language in which we want to download. So here we have default selected English language for the download. After downloading the setup, we will install that setup in our local PC. After the successful installation of Visual Studio 2008 is done, we will write a first program in Visual Studio IDE using the if condition. In order to open Visual Studio 2008, click Start menu, All Programs, Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. Click this icon. After clicking this icon, Visual Studio 2008 will open. In order to develop a first program, click on File, New, Project. After that, a screen will open where you will find a number of things, number of ready-made templates. So don't worry about this. Just click on Visual C Sharp, Windows, Console Application. Now give a nice name to it. So we will give here first IDE program. Okay, click Save. Click OK. First IDE program, because it is an integrated development environment, which is a very smart tool. So as it is a smart tool, it has already by default written many codes, many statement lines. So this codes we are not going to use it now. So we will delete it and write class. As you start writing class, it has started suggesting a various keyword. So select class and press the tab key on the keyboard. Now give a simple name to your class, A, B and C, and write two braces, open and close braces. As we are going to write a program between these two braces, write static void and main keyword. Static keyword we are going to see in the coming of videos, whereas the void keyword indicates that the main function is not going to return any value, but it is going to display a simple text to the screen, whereas the main method give an indication to the compiler that this is the starting point of the program and read program from here. Now write the if keyword between the braces of main method. After writing the if keyword, now write a condition to it where 8 is greater than 7. After writing the condition, write a system.console.writeLine, which will display a text on the screen. As it is a Visual Studio IDE tool, see, as we write it suggests us a keyword to write. So just select the suitable keyword and press the tab key. Now write the second line, system.console.writeLine. Here we will display a text by. Now save the program, and in order to compile and run the program, press Ctrl F5 on the keyboard. So here it has displayed the output hello by, as the condition state that 8 is greater than 7, which is true. Now we will try to reverse the scenario and see whether what happens to the output. So say 8 is less than 7 and save the program, and in order to compile and run the program, press Ctrl F5 and see the output. As here the condition is false, so the very first line, right line, has been omitted and second line has been taken into the effect, and by output is displayed on the screen. Now we'll put the display statement between the two braces of if condition and try to see what happens to the output of it. So here we have scenario where 8 is less than 7, which is a false condition, Now we will save it and try to compile it and see the output by pressing Ctrl F5 on the screen. So here it has not displayed as the output as the condition is false. So it has omitted both the right line statements. Now we will reverse the scenario and see where 8 is greater than 7 and save the program and press Ctrl F5 for compilation and running it. So here it has displayed as both the output as the condition here is true. So we have seen both the output here